Hello everybody, hope everybody is safe. Today we're making banana cream pie, so delicious, and now we have the real review.
Nana.
Do you like it?
Mm. Mm.
It's your choice. You can use honey made. For the crust, you can use the mini Nilla. I like to use the mini Nilla. It's really nice with banana cream pie. Now I take around 170 gram or 6 pack of the mini Nilla, and I will grind it, as you're gonna see now. Okay, so now we need a quarter cup of melted butter, and I will add it to the crust to get it to stick together. Now I'm gonna use this pan. I put a cellophane and the bottom. I put some of the butter and my crust, and I will flatten like this evenly, so it will be nice and even, exactly like this. I will put it in the fridge till I make the custard. So this is the easy part. We need only vanilla custard. You get it from any supermarket. I use 3 cup of cold milk. I will put the powder here, the custard powder, and I will mix it really well. And I will tell you the trick here. The trick here is I'm gonna add 1 cup of whipped cream, and I will mix it more. Here's a 1 cup of whipped cream. I will mix it very well, and this is exactly how we want it to be. Very nice. Now I sliced 2 bananas, and I will put it exactly like this on the crust. It looked beautiful already, and we will add the custard exactly like this. I will spread it out evenly like this. Very nice. It looked nice already. And I will get another cellophane, and I will cover it, and I will put it in the fridge for minimum of 3 hours, or you can have it in the fridge overnight. And now here it is. Now you can decorate it however you want. You can put whipped cream, you can put the nuts, almonds, bananas, however you want. I put 1 cup of whipping cream like this. I will put some bananas and some of the Nilla cookies, wafer. Oh my god, this is absolutely delicious. Let me know when you try it and when you like it in the comment, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here is another testimony from my son. All done? All done? Okay, say thank you. Say thank you. Bye.
Bye.